gonna start reorganize the pantry, and the first thing I'm gonna do is put all of this stuff. I have hemp seeds, maca powder, chia seeds, and almonds, and I'm gonna finally mix my fruit and seed mix with these roasted almonds, and actually put those. And I'm gonna put them in mason jars. That way they don't take up so much space in the pantry when I redo it. So I've just got mason jars and the plastic lids that go with them. I got these off Amazon, and you can usually buy those anywhere. I'll link them. And I'm going to use my label maker to make labels for it once they're all in there. So and I'm just going to label this one nuts, because sometimes we have almonds, sometimes we have pecans. It just depends on what season it is, but almonds are my favorite. Okay, so this is the final product, and I don't think the labels are showing up on all of them, but I just label them with my label maker. Some of them aren't perfect. And I put hemp seeds on this one because I knew if I put hemp, there would be a few random remarks in this house. And once again, I just labeled this nuts because I knew we wouldn't always have almonds, so just easier that way. So now I'm going to put these back in the pantry. And get started on the reorganization. And this extra amount of almonds I have in this bag, I'm just going to leave in the cabinet. And as this one gets empty...
Okay, so if you've watched my videos before, you know I don't have an actual pantry, but we have 3 cabinets that we keep food in. This is the first one. This one was really bad because we had kitchen stuff in it as well, and it was stuffed to the very back. Okay, so this is the next cabinet we use for food. This one was bad, but it wasn't as bad as the other one, and you can't see into the very back because there is no lighting. Okay, so once again, if you watch my channel, you know I have a food list that I keep track of everything in the pantry. So I'm just showing you the pages that I have. And I split into categories like baking, snacks, canned food, and then miscellaneous. And then I have a few blank pages in the back just in case. Okay, so this is just the after of the cabinet that I keep the cans in and the cereal. I just took a lot of the cereal out of the boxes, and the stuff I couldn't take out of the boxes I just slid next to the can cabinet. And I still have that to put back in there, and that is the empty boxes, and of course my food list that I'm logging. Okay, so this is the other cabinet for food. I just left snacks in the front, and then I put cookies in the back. I put my mason jars on the top shelf in the back. And then I put the pasta that was on the top shelf down on the bottom, which should help organization a little bit easier for everyone. And the ring pops did not fit on the one side. And of course, once again, that is everything that I emptied out. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you have not done so already. Bye bye.